Introducing Tracecor Commercial's cutting-edge CCTV and off-site monitoring solutions. In today's fast-paced world, security is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Our CCTV systems offer unparalleled protection for a range of industries, from retail and hospitality to manufacturing and logistics to various critical sectors, including residential areas, schools, and fuel stations.
In residential areas and schools, ensuring safety and security is paramount for the well-being of families, children, and communities. With our CCTV solutions, we provide round-the-clock surveillance, deterring potential threats and enabling rapid response to any security incidents. Whether it's monitoring neighborhood streets, playgrounds, or school premises, our systems offer comprehensive coverage, giving residents and educational institutions the peace of mind they deserve.
But what exactly is CCTV? CCTV, or closed-circuit television, is a system of video cameras that transmit signals to a specific location, allowing for real-time monitoring and recording of activities. It's a powerful tool that provides round-the-clock surveillance, helping deter crime and enhance security measures. At Tracecor Commercial, we take CCTV to the next level with our AI-enhanced solutions. Our advanced AI algorithms enable facial recognition, license plate recognition, and perimeter intrusion detection, providing comprehensive coverage and actionable insights to keep your fuel station or retail shopping center secure. But security doesn't end at the specific site. That's why our off-site monitoring services offer 24/7 surveillance, intelligent behavior analysis, and enhanced security from a remote location. With AI-driven analytics and traditional CCTV infrastructure, we provide continuous monitoring and automated threat detection without the need for on-site personnel. Why is AI in CCTV and off-site monitoring so important? Because it empowers you to stay ahead of potential threats and respond swiftly to security breaches. With features like real-time alerts, scheduled reporting, and customizable dashboards, you have the insights you need to optimize operations and ensure regulatory compliance. So, whether you're looking to enhance security, improve operational efficiency, or gain valuable insights into customer behavior, trust Tracecor Commercial to deliver innovative solutions tailored to your needs. Contact us today and take the first step towards a safer, more secure future for your fuel station, retail store, or any other industry premises that needs surveillance.